The possession game, understanding possessive determiners and pronouns. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to tackle a very important topic in English grammar: possessive determiners and possessive pronouns. Now, these may sound complicated, but don't worry, we will break it down, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use them correctly. First, let's talk about possessive determiners. These are words that we place before a noun to show ownership or possession. They are my, your, his, her, its, our, their. For example, in the sentence, "This is my book," my is a possessive determiner showing that the book belongs to me. Next, we have possessive pronouns. These stand alone and don't need a noun after them. They are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. For instance, when someone asks, "Whose book is this?" you can say, "It's mine." Here, mine is a possessive pronoun indicating the book belongs to you. The tricky part comes when we start to differentiate between the two. Remember, possessive determiners are always followed by a noun, and possessive pronouns stand alone and replace the noun. For example, possessive determiner, "This is my car." Possessive pronoun, "This car is mine." Both sentences mean the same thing, but the way we use the possessive words changes. Let's practice with some examples. 1. Is this underscore 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 book? Yours. 2. No, it's not underscore 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 underscore. Mine. 3. It must be underscore 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 then. Hers. Correct answers. 1. Is this your book? Possessive determiner before the noun, book. 2. No, it's not mine. Possessive pronoun replacing the noun, book. 3. It must be hers then. Possessive pronoun replacing the noun, book. And that's it. Understanding the difference between possessive determiners and possessive pronouns can be a game changer in your English language journey. Remember, the key is practice, so keep applying these rules in your day-to-day conversations. As always, thanks for tuning in and happy learning.